Good day, friends. Today we're gonna do our dish, ginataang tilapia. So here are the ingredients for our ginataang tilapia. So we have tilapia fish, and then we have spring onions and lemongrass or tanglad. So we have our onion chop, and then we have our ginger chop, and then we have our garlic also chopped. We have our, para maging spicy yung ating ginataang tilapia, so we have two pieces of chili pepper. So two kinds ng ating gata. So unang gata, which is pure gata, walang halong tubig, so 1 cup. And then yung ating pangalawang gata. So, yung pangalawang gata natin, nilagyan na natin ng 1 cup of water. So, we go. Procedure natin on how to cook ginataang tilapia. So, first, lagyan natin yung ating tilapia fish. Then next, ilagay natin yung pangalawang gata. So, pangalawang gata ng ating, para dito sa ating tilapia. So, budbud lang natin siyang ganun. Here we go. Then next, yung ating garlic, yung ating ginger, tsaka yung ating onion. So, ginger, onions. Stapit na natin siya. Yes, yung garlic natin. Then, yung ating spring onion, then yung ating tanglad. So, dito lang natin ilagay yung tanglad natin. Yung ating lemongrass, purpose ng ating lemongrass, so, para bumango yung ating gata. Then, yung ating sili. So, we have 2 of them. Scattered natin. And then, don't forget to put some salt and pepper. So, salt. Then yung ating pepper. One of the main ingredients talaga yung salt and pepper. So, pwede na natin siyang i-boil for about 10 minutes until yung gata magiging oily. So, set natin yung ating pan. So set natin for 10 minutes. Okay. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ating unang gata. Simmer natin siya for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, pwede na natin siyang serve. Yung ating lemongrass, pwede natin siyang i-remove. Lemongrass lang. So, careful lang when serving it kasi yung tilapia fish natin medyo malambot na. Malambot na siya. Here we go. So, luto ng ating kinataang tilapia. Enjoy, guys!